Hello guys, welcome to Hex DNF again. The topic for this tape is the present value for an annuity. Well, you may be asking yourself, what is an annuity? An annuity is a security that pays a specific sum of money over the time. Basically, this kind of instruments may bring to its holder a series of infinite or finite payments. So, given the concept, let's go ahead and compute a couple examples on Excel. Here we have these two equations. The first one is the present value of finite annuity, and the second one is the present value of infinite annuity, where C is the constant sum of money for the holder, R is the discount rate, and N is the time spent for the life of the instrument. Now let's move to build our data frame on Excel. Step 1. Build your data frame. Step 2. Define the variables. And step 3, compute the equation and repeat the same sequence along the exercise. Don't forget to format each data frame. In this step, we are going to prove with the net present value formula. And to finish, we compute the present value for an infinite annuity. We just repeat the same sequence as we did in the first part. Interesting, right? We learned how to fix a present value for a finite and for an infinite annuity. If you have any questions or consult, don't hesitate to ask for. See you for the next video. This was Hex DNF. Bye bye.